subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Guys, Roy Bros here. Welcome you to our channel Honest Reviewer. So in this video we are going to tell you how you can convert your Android device into stock Android. So this video is going to be super awesome. So let's start our video. But before starting the video, this is my humble request. If you have not subscribed to our channel till now, go ahead and subscribe it. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. So without wasting of time, let's get straight to the video. So you can see my home screen of my device. That is quite simple, and this is the normal look which your device is getting. I'm using my Redmi device, but you can use device of any brand working on any Android version, doesn't matter. You just need a mobile connection, internet connection, and the mobile device itself. So let's go to our trick. So for that you need to go to Play Store and search for applications. I will just go and search for applications, but you will get the link in the description for more convenience. So go and download from the links. So I am downloading this launcher, Rootless Pixel Launcher. So this is a great launcher and will give your device a simple and pixel look. And you can also download this launcher. This is called the customized pixel launcher, which will give you some more options than the pixel launcher. So now you have installed, just don't open these all and just go to home. No, don't go to home, just remain on the Play Store because we have to download more applications. So it's just go to Play Store again, and I am going to back and go to search panel and search for PowerShade. This will convert your device notification panel. So this is PowerShade, and I am going to install this. So you can also see the pictures. You can customize your notification panel as per your choice, and it will give you many of customizable options, many of the colors, many of the options. So you must try this application. So let's simply don't open it, just go for Play Store search bar and again search for Pixel Icon Pack. You can download any icon pack. You can download this Pixel Pi icon pack. You can also get back and download this Pixel Q icon pack. It will give you look like Android 10 icon pack. But I will download this Pixip icon pack because it is different from Pixel icon pack but closer to stock Android icon pack. And these all are same. So you can download this also. You can also try this launcher because it's a quite better launcher because it gives you more customizable options. So it's now installing, and you can see my old notification panel. So this is the launcher, and just simply get it installed. Go home, search for you can also apply this launcher. Go to search bar, and search for Rootless Pixel Bridge. Simply search for Rootless Pixel Bridge. You can search for latest version, but you must download the version 3 because version 2 will not work because it's now gone older. So download this and install this simply in your device. This will give you option to Google Feeds. That for you, when you will slide from corner of your device, you will not get the smart assistant of your device. You will get the Google Feeds. So it's a few KBs. It will get downloaded very easily. It's of 312 KB. Now simply install it. So I am installing it, but at the time of uninstallation it will not show in your device app drawer or your home screen. You need to go to settings, then apps, then manage apps, and then you need to delete it. Sorry for the background noise. Sorry, very much sorry. So go home and now start customizing our device. So first let me start from launcher. So I'll just go to rootless pixel launcher first. So this is the launcher. Just open it, and after opening it you will get like this interface like this, and you can see it will now load all the apps. It will take some few time. Now simply get just open those, and now simply set our default launcher. So you can also use this remember my choice option, or you can go to settings. Now go to home screen. Where's that? Let me find. Oh, sorry, I have tapped on notification. So home screen. Okay, now home screen. Now go to system launcher, and then you can select the launcher which you want to use. Now let's customize our notification panel, not our icon pack. So I will use this pixup icon pack. Just tap and hold on your home screen, go to settings, icon pack, pixup icon pack. You will get more options here, so you can also check out these. So now the icon will be changed. You will see, okay, now the icon is just changing. Okay, now it's changed properly, and you can see the feeds from my home screen. I am sliding from the corner of the home screen. I am getting the Google feeds. So you can see I am getting the home Google feeds, and now you can see my notification panel. So let's start customizing our notification panel. So open the PowerShell application. It will show you some. So give it all the permission which it requires. Just simply tap on the option. I am just enable it. So my hand is little bit wet, so I am not able to use all the options clearly, so please don't mind. So give it all the permission which it requires. Now go to accessibility, and where's that? In MIUI Retina, it will go out on front of my device. Where it's gone. I have not used accessibility in MIUI 11, so I am getting trouble to find those options. Oh yeah, more downloaded services. I think it will be in there that, but first let me check it clearly. It must be out of the those. In MIUI 11 there is much customized categories in settings app, so I think it must be there. So let me open that, more downloaded services. Oh yeah, I have got it there. Just open it. Okay. Oh, I think the screen recorder is making me trouble to enable these all. So let me first disable the screen recorder. So but let me try, it may work. So I think that is making the trouble. It's saying if an app is blocking permission, drag overlapping item away from your close the app. Okay, let me disable the screen recording. Okay, I have disabled that screen recording. So after getting all those, so I have did all those work, and you are getting this look from your notification. And let me show you the notification panel. So first let me remove this Flipkart from home screen. Why it have came here. And now let me show you, I have enabled the power shade. So let me show you my notification panel. Oh, you will see that my notification panel have been customized into stock Android. And the old things which were the old problem was that the power shade was not available to or able to enable the mobile data or anything else, but now you can do it easily because it have got every permission, so you can use it easily. Okay, so you can get many toggles. You will get more than the toggles you are getting on your home screen, like dark modes, and you can use in 3 pages, and you need to give it special permission to get got available to system gestures. So you can apply in home screen wallpaper, lock screen wallpaper, all those from here. So it will give you some special permissions, and you will get some special permission by opening Chrome, but I will not open. So you will get some special permissions here. So that was all which I want to tell you about this. You can also customize the colors of your background. So I like the red background. Apply on, and black tile color. So let me get black color, apply, and you will see your notification panel like this. Let me show you. First let me change the color of active. Oh sorry, I will get the active tile color red and background color black. And also convert the notification color red. So you will see your notification panel like this. Yeah, you will get notification panel. Oh, notification color hasn't changed. Let me change it also. You can also change the brightness sliders color. Oh, it's looking weird, so let me convert it black. So now I've converted it black, and you can see it's now looking fabulous. And this is the notification panel you will get from here. And that's all to this video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. So that's all to the video. Take care and keep watching Honest Reviewer.